Hello everyone, welcome to the shop. I'm Big Allen Cox. This is my 2014 Troy-Bilt 210 mower, one of my longest and most faithful employees. It's on its second engine. Yeah, it's a little dirty, but this mower goes to work a lot throughout the year. And frankly, I just try to keep the oil changed, mind the level, keep the air filter changed, run pure gasoline, keep the underneath and top debris free and as clean as possible. I can spend a week cleaning a mower, or I can just mow the grass. Speaking of mowing, the last property I used this mower on, I noticed the cut was a little shaggy, and the blade on this mower is one off the shelf at a Lowe's hardware store that I installed a few years ago. I've since sharpened that blade a good 5 or 6 times, and I think it's time for a new one. Company called Budrash sent me an email asking me to try their value quality blade on Amazon for these Troy-Bilt mowers. Just in time, actually. Should be here in a few days, and I can hopefully get back to a great looking cut with this machine. Budrash sells various quality budget-friendly options for lawnmower blades, wheels, deck rebuild kits for your rider, wheelbarrow wheels, and more. Budrash on Amazon. I'll leave a link to this blade coming and their Amazon store in the description. Running all the fuel out of the tank will keep it from spilling out. It's about time for an oil change for Troy here, so I'll go ahead and do that and drain that out. The new blade is here from Budrash. Looks like a good exact replacement for this mower. The mounting pattern is correct. Actually feels pretty good. Got a good weight to it. One thing I'll do here just to be on the safe side is disconnect my spark plug. I'm going to turn the mower up on its side now. This is a 5/8 socket on this impact wrench. I'll use an impact to take these off, but I usually use a regular socket to reinstall the bolt. But they get stubborn after they've been on there a while. Yeah, it's about time for a new blade, I'd say. I think I've sharpened this blade about 4 or 5 times. Compare our new blades here. They're the same length, same pattern in the middle. Nice new fresh blade. That looks beautiful. I think before I do that though, I'm going to take a wire brush and kind of clean some of this debris up. It's just a plain wire brush like you can get at Harbor Freight or any auto parts dealer. Get some of this debris out of here and then blow out the deck. Have you ever seen anybody sweep out a deck before? Using this Rust-Oleum flat black, I'll seal my deck. That'll slow down any rust formation. Adding a couple of coats of this Rust-Oleum to the bottom of your deck will considerably slow down rust and help keep your lawnmower around a lot longer. That looks a lot better. While that paint's still drying, I'm going to put on the new blade. The sharpened side of your blade is going to face up towards the deck, like that. Then we'll get our mounting bolt back on. The two notches on the back of this mount will line up with the two notches here. Tighten the blade back up. A new quality 21-inch blade for your Troy-Bilt is available right now at Budrash on Amazon. Save yourself time and money. I have included the link to order this blade in the description of the video. Budrash also sells wheels, deck refurbish kits, tires for your wheelbarrow, and more. Budrash on Amazon. Thanks to Budrash for sponsoring the video. Since I own this mower and I use it a lot, I'll give you an update on how the blade is doing in the comments section in a few months or so. I see no reason the Budrash blade won't match or exceed the quality of the box store replacement blade at a good price. Let me and others know about your experiences with the Troy-Bilt mower. This one has been a great servant for 12 years. and I look forward to using it for another season. I'm Big Al Cox, thanks for watching. Please like the video if you did, and I invite you to the subscribe option if you wish to see the latest videos from my channel, keeping and saving things from the landfill. Until the next time, I wish you many blessings from my shop to yours.